Fire in the Blackstone hole. Let's cook some fried rice. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my Blackstone griddle. What I'm cooking up for you today is we're going to make some fried rice with some of this in it. This is Chinese sausage. It's called Cheong. And let me show you what that looks like. These things are amazing. When I first opened this package up and I got a whiff of this, these smell so good. Look at those things. Look at all the fat in there. It's got a lot of fat in them, boy. But I'll tell you what, these are going to be delicious. Let me get started here with some. Going to throw down with some Cheong stir-fry oil. You know, like we always used to. We still do. We still use the old Cheongs on the griddle when we're cooking up some stuff here. Put some on both sides. Got the griddle running at a medium heat right now. And we're going to go down with our first ingredient. Oh, we're going to put this over here, I guess. That's not going to work. Alright, we'll set that over there. What's the first thing we got to do here? Oh yeah, we got some garlic. Here, let's do this. I don't have enough hands or enough space. Okay, we've got some chopped garlic going down right here. And some shallots. This is shallots and garlic in the oil. Get that thrown away, and I've also got some, where's the other stuff? Come over here, you. Where are you at? Here we go. This is ginger paste. We're going to put some ginger paste down on there. We're frying up that garlic, shallots, and ginger paste in the Cheong stir-fry oil to start out our fried rice cook. And we've got our Chinese sausages cut up already. We're going to put them on there next. We want to get our aromatics cooking and get them start to make a nice smell in here. So let's get that going. I'll bring you right back when they start to get a little bit brown. Stay tuned. Alright, the garlic and ginger and shallots are getting cooked up. We're going to throw down our Cheong sausage next. Right here, and get it cooking. I need my little gate right there, but I didn't bring it. It's down there, I can't reach it anyway. Yeah, I need my little food gate that I didn't install. You can see that sausage has got a lot of fat in it. And that fat is going to render out of there, and that is absolutely delicious. So let's get that sausage and the aromatics cooked up. Get them, be quiet, dog. Not kidding. Yeah, let's get that stuff cooking up. And I'll come back for the next step. Stay tuned. This is going to go really quickly from here. Stay tuned. Okay, the sausage has been rocking along. The garlic and ginger is getting all nice and toasty over here. Getting the fat starting to render out of the sausage. We're going to cook that up a little bit. We're going to throw down some rice. I got some rice that I made last night. This is jasmine rice. That I cooked up last night. They say that for fried rice, the best thing is, you know, if it's been made the night before, get that put down over there. Get it broken up. I probably should have fluffed it up before I put it on the griddle, but too late now. Get that broken up over there. The rice. For fried rice. Cheong fried rice. Our rice fried up a little bit. I'm going to add to that some spring onions that I cooked up. Put that over there into our rice. Get that rice chopped up. Get it frying. Very simple seasonings on this one. None of that, you know, you don't have to make up a bunch of sauce or anything. We're just going to put a little bit of soy sauce on there once it gets frying. And some white pepper, and that's it. That's all the seasonings that go on this. This is a traditional Chinese, I think the Chinese eat this for breakfast, to be honest with you, because it's like sausage and rice. It's like kind of like a breakfast dish, I think. Anyway, let me get my rice fried up here a little bit. Get it seasoned up with some soy sauce. Get some soy sauce on there. That soy sauce is what gives the fried rice its color, actually. And some salt, of course. Get that broken up and fried up. Oh boy. Yeah. Oh yeah, man. It's starting to look right. Should have chopped it up before I threw it on there. That's the only thing. That sausage smells amazing. Let me tell you what. All right, let me get my rice fried up a little bit. We're going to throw a little bit of white pepper on there. Got a little white pepper standing by right here. About say I call it a teaspoon of white pepper. I'll just shake some white pepper on there. There you go. That's all you need. That's all the seasonings we get on this. White pepper, soy sauce, fry up our rice a little bit. And Cheong stir fry oil has that garlic flavor in it. And of course the garlic and the shallots over here are cooking. Get them off to the side. Get our rice spread out a little bit better. The rice, of course, has spring onion in it. Starting to come together, starting to make my mouth water. Okay? Okay, next thing we got to do is get our rice put over a little bit here. Get it over here a little bit. I got to put down some more Cheong stir fry oil right here. Right in the hot spot right here. I got to crack a couple of eggs. Got my eggs standing by. Here we go. There's one. One egg. Two eggs. Almost fell out of my hand. Two eggs. Got them cooked up right there. Got to level my grill, I think. Get my eggs cooked up. Oh yeah. Starting to come together now, folks. Yes, sir. Get those eggs cooked up. Get them folded into that rice. All we got to do is put this all together. Get the rice spread out a little bit better. Get it frying. Oh yes. That's looking good. Pardon me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Oh. Got the croup today. Cut my eggs up. Cut them into the rice. That's why I say it's breakfast. You got eggs and sausage and rice. And that's breakfast right there, isn't it? Let me get my rice fried up a little bit better than that. This is not hibachi 101 right here. Let me tell you why. I'm not good with this. But I'm getting it done. Getting it spread out, fried up. Got it seasoned up with that soy sauce and white pepper. Delicious. All we got to do is fry up the rice a little bit more. It's almost coming together right here. Frying up our rice a little bit more. Get it spread out a little bit, get it frying. Got the eggs in there. You got eggs and sausage. That's breakfast to me, if you ask me. Anyway, we're just going to incorporate that. Get that lap Cheong sausage over here. Getting a little burnt, a little toasty. It's okay. It'll be fine. Yeah, that's about it. That's about it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just about to get this done. So there you go. Lap Cheong fried rice. You know what I got to do now is get that plated up, and it'll be time to take a taste and drink a beer. So I get my rice fried up a little bit more. Looking pretty good, huh? Got the sausage got a little burnt because it sat there a little too long. My griddle a little too hot too. Turn that down. In fact, we could probably turn that off at this point. Turn the griddle right off. Okay, we finished up frying up that rice. A little bit more soy sauce, I think. And we're ready to plate this. Believe it or not. How's that look? Not too shabby? Okay, let me get a little bit more soy sauce on there for color and flavor. Yeah, I think I'm just about ready to plate my lap Cheong fried rice. I'll have to figure out a way to keep the burnt pieces from showing in the thumbnail. Somehow. I don't know how I'm going to accomplish that. Anyway, there we go. Lap Cheong fried rice. Yeah. Let's get that spread out a little bit. Get that toasted up. I'll garnish it up with some spring onions. We'll get that plated up. We'll drink a beer and take a taste. So stay tuned. Okay, my lap Cheong fried rice is done. Here's the Frosty Root Boy mug, star of the show. Here's today's beer. Kirin Ichiban, one of my favorite beers. Whenever I go to the Oriental store to buy ingredients, I usually wind up with some of this. It's a really nice lager. I believe it's from Japanese, I'm pretty sure. Finest ingredients, best hops. Japanese lager. Let's go in for the third pour of the year without spilling or making a mess. And I think I nailed it, Rob. I think I nailed it. The third pour of the year, and I nailed it. There it is, my Kirin Ichiban. Let's take a sniff of that. Ah, smells great. That's a great beer. Let's quaff the froth off it, Rob. What do you think? That's delicious. Let me get some of my lap Cheong fried rice over here. Get some of that in my mouth. Stay tuned. Okay, let me get a fork. Get some of this lap Cheong fried rice in my mouth. The sausage got a little toasty there. I cooked it a little too much, but there it is, lap Cheong. So I can't wait to taste this. It's delicious. That sausage. The sausage is sweet, flavorful. It's got a lot of fat in it. That's what makes it good. Fat is flavor. Baby, that's my video. Sorry, mouthful. That's my video. I hope you enjoyed my lap Cheong fried rice as much as I'm going to enjoy devouring it. You know what I always say? If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up in the iCard. Let's see if I can get this right. Go up in the iCard, which is right there, and visit a new guy I found called Buzzed Barbecue. Check him out. I actually got hooked up with him through my buddy Rob. I guess he's a subscriber of Rob's or something. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, check out Buzzed Barbecue. The poor guy recommended him. Subscribe to him. Tell him the Root Boy sent you. That's me, Root Boy. And come back next week. We'll try not to burn the sausage next week. We burnt it a little bit. There's no doubt about it. I'm going to eat it anyway, though. It looked good. It's delicious, I gotta tell you. The sausage is absolutely delicious. See if I can find a piece that wasn't burnt. Like that. That sausage is outstanding. Delicious, I gotta tell you. Anyway, babies, that's my video. See you next week. Bye.